Okay, let's see what you need to know. I'm gonna get some random cards out. Okay, I'll take that. No, that's 2. I saw the Justice card though, so that might resonate. Some sort of resolution to some issue or conflict. Okay. Possibly regarding money, a pregnancy scare. The good news is that you're not pregnant. Your finances are going to be improving, possibly. So you don't have to be stressed out. Oh, okay. Bruh. All they just... Okay, okay. Let's chill. Let's chill. Let's chill. Okay. We're going to move on to the next deck. Let's see. See what you need to know. Okay, I'll take that one. That came out in a different reading. I'm putting those back. I'm not redoing that reading, guys. Literally all of those cards came out, and we're not doing that. We are not doing that. We're gonna get a new message. Okay, I'll take those. Okay, I mean that came out in the other reading too. I'll just take it because I guess. Oh my gosh! Jeez! All of those came out. Hold up. Okay, I'll just take these ones. I'm gonna move on to the other side of the deck because ain't no way. Dark magic. I see the dark magic card. Hold up. It just fell right out. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna keep that in there though. No, I'll take those. I'll take those. I'll take it because I mean, it's because 2 of them came out, and I only like taking it if it's like a cup, like 1. All right, fine. I'll take all those dang cards. You want me to read all these? Jeez. Then I'll just get a couple from these. Love and money. Okay. Okay. We'll take those. All these poppers, like, this reading's more active than the other reading I did. Honestly. But I'm getting heavy energy of something should be improving. Some sort of conflict. If you're dealing with some sort of conflict right now, it will be coming to a resolution. Okay, I guess that's all. I mean, that makes sense because that was too damn many cards. We have sudden wealth. Okay, that's confirmation for the fact that your finances will be getting better. But we have false security lingers in material abundance, masking deeper voids, constant craving for external validation, dims the value of inner worth. We have bang, warning. Firing a warning shot as a sign of authority and control. Skips necessary steps to gain an advantage. Okay. Okay. I'm with them but want you. I never meant to hurt you. Who cares? I came out in a different reading. I'm not taking those. Unless it's important, I'm not taking them. Because I don't like redoing readings that I already did. People notice your hard work. I project heavily onto you. I am a player. I enjoy controlling others. I love your energy. It's magnetic. I want to use you. Dark magic. I only care about what I want. They're popular in the limelight. I want to, did I already say I want to use you? Protest inadequacy, sue attention. stress, headache, pressure, lack of sleep. Good news, encouragement, miracle, surprise, conflict, difference, disputation, quarrel. So you could be receiving some good news in terms of work, finance, career, possibly an increase in money, increase in finances. Um also, I'm getting a resolution in some sort of conflict you've been dealing with. I'm getting possibly someone could have put like dark magic on you. If not literally, they could have. I mean, it still counts. Like, even if they didn't like mix in a cauldron, like I said before, dark magic counts as like gaslighting, lying, spreading rumors, doing stuff like that. That's dark magic because you're basically manipulating energy or energies so that basically, because we also have I enjoy controlling others, so things could go into your favor. So like, let's say I don't like somebody, so I go behind their back and I spread lies and rumors about them, saying, oh, they're this, they're that, da da da. That's me spreading dark magic because I'm changing the energy of how they feel about that person, how they perceive that person. So you could have been dealing with this in the workplace or an ex that was doing this to you. So that's what I'm getting. But I'm also getting someone could have also tried to do. I mean, we didn't get love magic. Love magic didn't come out. It could be like a dark love magic. I love your energy. It's magnetic. Possibly trying to get you to come towards them, or like even like something with breaking up, a breakup spell, or make you break up with someone and go towards them is what I'm getting. Because we have I only care about what I want, and then we have I'm with them but want you. So it's giving very much third party situation. Someone already in a commitment and they're worried about someone else that is either also with someone else or just not with them. So yeah, let's see what else. They're popular or in the limelight. So, and then we also got this card says attention. So possibly there could be people, especially if you're in the spotlight, trying to send you evil eye out of jealousy because they feel inadequate. And they're trying to like control the situation. So that could also go for like the dark magic, because when you're in like the public eye, it kind of makes you basically more at risk of attracting low vibrational people because they see your light. Especially because we have I love your energy is magnetic, so I'm getting very much energy vampires trying to target you because you're in the spotlight. Again, there could be some people that are trying to use you as well. And yeah, this person, this ex or this person that's already with someone and they want to be with you. Oh, wait. I project heavily onto you. So yeah, this could also be like if you're in the public eye or limelight. For example, like people are saying stuff like, oh, I bet she's this, I bet she's that. Oh, she thinks she's this, she thinks she's that. Oh, I hope this, that. That's projecting negative energy onto others, which is a form of dark magic. So just cleanse your energy, because you have like haters that are paying attention to you with the people knows your hard work. People are basically projecting onto you. They're all up in your energy, okay? And we go back to firing a warning shot as a sign of authority and control. Skips necessary steps to gain an advantage. So this person that's sending you dark magic or black magic, whether it be like these people watching you on social media, someone from work, or a person you're in a relationship with, what I'm getting is that they're doing this because they want the upper hand. They want to be over you in some sort of way. They want to be able to control the situation. So yeah. Constant craving for external validation dims the value of inner worth. These people could be individuals that are jealous of your authenticity, the fact that you don't crave for external validation, so it makes them angry. They think that you think you're better than others because you kind of move to the beat of your own drum. And they're the opposite. They're people who like to keep up with the Joneses. They like to flex. They like people to think they have more than they actually have. They dress for other people. Like, nothing they do is for themselves, is what I'm basically getting. But yeah, some of these people could just be jealous because you could be receiving good news, or you received good news, and There could have been a miracle that happened for you. They feel like everything's just going really well for you, so it makes them upset. But they want you to be stressed out, have a headache. They want you to feel pressure, not be able to sleep. So that's why they're doing this. If you have been feeling this way, just cleanse your energy. There's like different like remove negative energy, subliminals, raise your frequency, subliminals. There's like Reiki, you know, videos you can watch. Conflict difference, disputation, quarrel. They wanted to cause conflict in your life. So possibly like chaos magic. But let's get like a final message from these just to see if we could get anything else that's like important. What else? I am a colorist. There could be someone who's like a colorist. So basically they think they feel like they're better than people because of their skin tone. So that could be someone that could like help you out with like figuring out who this person is. So like if you're a woman of color or you're like a darker skinned woman in the spotlight, there could be someone who's like lighter skin and they feel like it's not fair that you get all this attention because they feel like it should be directed towards them because they're lighter than you, which is weird. It's weird, but that could be something happening. So yeah.